hexagonal nut M22. M22 means 2 times the diameter and 0.9D, which will going to be the thickness of the nut. So first we are going to construct the hexagon. So to construct the hexagon, I will go for first go to the tools, go to order, click on order, and then go to select this and hide this UCS icon, and then enable base reference planes. Now we will start with the drawing. So first we will go to home, click on sketch. So we have click on planar face. This is the reference plane. So since it is M22, 2 times the diameter means 44 mm is the circle diameter. So you take intersection of this and take the diameter as 44 because it is 2 times the diameter. Then you arc method, you just click on this. So we are setting up the 5 circles so that you will going to get 6 points. So go to line. So here we will go for the intersection point of this, or center to center of this, to center of this, to intersection, to intersection, to intersection, and then center. Now by holding the shift key, you just select the 5 circles which are constructed and you remove this. So this becomes, it is an arc method. Instead of drawing an arc, we are drawing a circle. So that is the easiest method which we can apply in our solid edge. So then I will go for close sketch and then click on home, click on extrude. So this, select on this, accept the sketch and give the thickness as 0.9D, 0.9 into 22. That is the diameter of this thing. This is 19.8. Select the side of the feature 0.9D, 0.9 into diameter is M22 because since it is M22 thread, so it will going to be the diameter is 22. So it will going to be 19.8. Select the side for the feature. You click on the top side. So you're going to get this. So then say finish. Now we will go to home. Across the corner we have to consider, click on sketch. So click on this so that you will going to create the chamfer now. So go to project to sketch, click on OK, select this center line and this horizontal line and this inclined line. So then here take the zoom area, bring it near to the screen, and then go to offset. So it is 0.2D, it is 4.4. So you take 4.4, 0.2 times 22, it will be 4.4. Click on this and take it to the down and go to line, take the end point of this. So now it should be 30 degrees to the vertical, means 60 degrees to the horizontal. Always the angle is measured in counterclockwise direction with respect to the horizontal as positive. So now you're going to take it as 10 mm angle, it is 60 degree. So you will going to get to the vertical, it will be 30 degrees. We can see here. So with reference to this, the angle is 30 now. So now I will go for a trim. I will just trim this and trim this and trim this, and then go to select and remove this. It's not required. So once we complete the profile, you just go to the close sketch. So then take the zoom area, then go to home, click on revolve cut, click on this surface, accept it, click on the liner edge on this line, you just select and go to 360 degree. So it will going to have a chamfer along the corners, across the corners of the hexagonal nut. Now we will going to fit for this, then go to home, click on hole, click on select this, click on the planar face of the reference plane on this, then click on this whole circle options. So I want thread, so take M22 thread. So you take M22, then select standard M22, click on M22, then to hole extent, whatever the thickness you have the hole, to that extent we want to have the thread. So you take that to hole extent, then you say click on OK and construct the, take the intersection point of this, then go to close profile, and then click on finish. So this is how you will be able to create the hexagonal nut of M22 size. Now you just come down to this. So here the material is Fe410W, then hexagon M22. So here you just this is the part number, it is 18. So we're going to go for application button, go to information, go to material table and select Fe410W, then apply to model. Then again go to application button, information, go to file properties, hex M22 and say OK. Now we are going to save this drawing. Now it is already we are into that path, so you just say hex M22. This is the M22. So you say save. So this is how you will be able to create this model. And again you're going to say save. So click on close to come out of this